Hello, sweetie. I'm Nanny. Really nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute snowman ice cream. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
We can see a dessert dish, ice cream bowl, and waffle heads. Let's look at the picture one more time. Dessert dish, ice cream bowl, and waffle heads. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is a dessert dish. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle and draw two horizontal lines. The first and the second. Then let's connect them on the left side and on the right side. Then let's draw a curve on the right side to the down, and let's draw the same line on the left side. Then let's connect them with big letter U. Okay, you're doing great. I like your line. Then let's draw two vertical lines over here on the bottom of the dessert dish. The first and the second. And let's connect them with curve. Then let's add some vertical lines inside. Then let's draw diagonal line on the left side. Then the same line on the right side and connect these ends with curve. And let's add some lines inside. Oh, looking good! I like your dessert dish. Now let's add ice cream. Let's draw some wavy lines for ice cream topping. I draw a wavy line on the top of the dessert dish, then under this line another two wavy lines, and on the right side two wavy lines. Oh, I like your topping. Oh, I like your lines. You're doing great. Now let's add snowman heads. Let's draw a big upside down letter U. I start over here on the left side and draw a big letter U or rainbow shape. Okay, you did it. Then let's draw another head. I start on the right side and draw a big curve to the left. Then let's draw eyes. Two dots for eyes on the left side, on the right side. Then letter U for smile. Then sideways V, letter V on the left side, and let's connect these ends. And let's add curve for smile. Oh, you're doing great. It's so cute. Now let's add a waffle head. Draw big upside down letter V on the left side and on the right side. Now let's add texture of the waffle head. Draw two diagonal lines on the top of the waffle head, then another two diagonal lines, then another two. Repeat after me, and another two diagonal lines. Then let's draw another diagonal line to other direction. Two diagonal lines, then another two. Another two, and then let's draw the same texture on the right side. The two diagonal lines, And let's draw the same lines to other direction. Oh, you're doing great! Keep it up!
That's the way to go, you did it! I like your drawing. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julia Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my Christmas coloring book. All links in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose pink for blush and draw ovals under the eyes. You can choose any color you like. Oval and coloring inside. Draw an oval and coloring inside. Then I choose orange for nose. And light beige or light brown for waffle head. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. We try to carefully and accurately color inside. We trace around the edge again, trying not to go beyond the line. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Then I choose dark brown on another beige for these diagonal lines on the left side and color it inside these lines. On the right side, let's color these forms, not lines. My ice cream will be white, and I choose brown for chocolate ice cream topping and tracing and coloring inside these wavy lines. Tracing and coloring inside. You can choose any color you like. Then I choose pink for this part of ice cream. This ice cream will be strawberry.
Wow, I like your drawing. It's so beautiful. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.